Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Matchbox on a mission. Mission Force. Construction! I love construction. I do. I love construction. I love construction. Should we check out what's in the box, Rubble? Sure, I'd love to. I love construction. And I love mighty machines. And I love cars and anything that deals with construction. I love dirt. Ooh, dirt. I love dirt. Okay, Rebel, come on now. Let's check out this box. Wow, look at that bulldozer. Ooh, it has a dump truck. I see a dump truck. A helicopter. Another helicopter. And it has a bulldozer. My favorite. I love bulldozers. And it has a grader. Ooh. Wow, it's a mission chopper. Woo-wee. Doesn't that look cool? And this one is Blade Force. Wow, I'd love to ride in that one. And this one says Ground Breaker. Yeah, bulldozers do a great job breaking ground. And a ground grinder. Ooh, it grinds up all that dirt. Oh, that nice soft dirt. Ooh, I love dirt. And we have a 3-axle dump truck. 3 axles. That's humongous. We have Land Adventure and Air Adventure. And there's lots of other sets you can collect. I love them all. I'm sure I would. Let's open this one up and get a closer look. Let's take a close look at all the vehicles in this set. Here we have Blade Force. Wow, he is really cool. Look, he can carry something. Wow, that's really neat. And he has this nice propeller. Very cool. And look at that cockpit. I think this is one of my favorite air Matchbox vehicles so far. It's really neat looking. It is neat, but let's move on now. All right. Let's see the other one from the Air Adventure. He has wheels too, so you can push him. Yeah, and a propeller. Wow. And this one here spins pretty good. So we have 2 propellers that spin. Very cool. I love the yellow construction color. And look at those nice wheels. Wow. I really like how that spins. This is a pretty neat vehicle too. Where's our next one? Wow, it's the 3-axle dump truck. Woo woo, woo woo. I think Rubble likes this one. Look, it's got 3 axles. It's good for carrying lots of heavy things. And that moves too. Wow. Look at the cab. It's got lots of space. And I think we'll be able to carry lots of things in this truck. Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? I can't wait anymore. I want to see now. Wow. Ah! It looks like our bulldozer bulldozed Rubble. That's funny. Check out the cup on that bulldozer. Wow, I really like it. It has a 6 on it. Can you see that 6? It's called Ground Breaker. He's going to be great for lots of heavy-duty action. Let's see him push Rubble again. No! Ah! Hey, that wasn't very nice. Sorry, Rubble. Let's check out our last mighty machine. Wow, look at that one. This is the ground grinder. He's perfect for leveling roads. He's got 2 different blades. Can you see that? He's got one up here and he's got one back there. He's very, very, very cool. Oh, I'm not going to let you run over me. Go ahead now. Move on out. Move on out now. Oh, I hear one of our mighty machines coming. I wonder what he's carrying. I see something right up there. What does he have? He's got a letter. Ooh, I love letters. Let's see. That looks like a Z. Rubble. Oh, I see. That's a M. It's a Can you think of any words that start with M, Rubble? I can. What can you think of? Mighty machine. Both of those start with M. Mighty machine. Mighty machine. Mighty machine. We've seen lots of mighty machines today. Let's put that back in there. Go on. Move them on out. Move them on out. Wow, let's get a close-up of all the mighty machines we saw today. Bring them in one at a time. There's our bulldozer. There's our ground grinder. Here's our dump truck with our M for mighty machine. We also have 2 mighty machines that fly in the air. We have our mission chopper and my favorite, Blade Force. That's not my favorite. What's your favorite, Rubble? I like the 3-axle dump truck. Yeah, that's pretty cool too, Rubble. That's pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.